Hello guys and welcome back to yet another tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off ambient mode on YouTube in 2022. So guys, let's get it going. So basically there are two ways how you can actually turn off ambient mode. So we're gonna go through first one. So basically what you need to do is go to the upper right corner of your screen, basically where your profile picture is. So after you go to it, you need to find the settings option. So basically guys, then you go to general, and what you need to find is appearance. So basically when you find appearance, as you can see over here, choose your light or dark theme preference. When you enter appearance, you can just switch back to light theme, and the ambient mode will be automatically turned off. But if you don't want to switch back to your light theme from the dark theme, there is a solution for that also. So basically we need to get back to the YouTube screen and let's just find the video. So let's take like this. So go to the options of the video, and as you can see, you can find the ambient mode option and you can just click on it and turn off the ambient mode easily. So guys, hopefully this was helpful tutorial for you. So as I said, you just enter the video and you go to the settings option in the upper right corner and just click on the ambient mode, and that's it. Or as I showed you, you can just switch back to light theme and the ambient mode will be disabled. So guys, basically that's it for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Goodbye guys.